This is Benjamin Voss with FNH USA. I'm here at the 2014 SHOT Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. In 2014, FNH USA is proud to announce the launch of the FN-15 rifle and carbine. The FN-15, new for 2014, represent FNH USA's commitment to the commercial market by delivering AR pattern rifles to commercial shooters. For 20 years, FN has manufactured M16s in our Columbia, South Carolina plant. Now, in 2014, we're going to allow our commercial customers to get the same great advantages of our 20 years of experience building the iconic AR style rifle. The two models we have to initially launch are the FN-15 carbine, a faithful copy of the M4 pattern rifle with a 16-inch chrome-lined button broach barrel, oval handguards, A2 style front post, M4 style removable handguard, 6-position collapsible buttstock. They also have the M4 pattern barrel extension and feed ramp. The other new model for this year is the FN-15 rifle. It is an M16A3 pattern. Has a 20-inch chrome-lined button broach barrel, round handguards, has the same M4 style removable carry handle, has an A2 fixed buttstock, but it also has the M4 feed ramp and barrel extension. The rifles are 1-7 twist. They're chambered in 5.56. They feed from 30-round GI pattern magazines. The FN-15 rifle and carbine are available today and are available at an MSRP of $1149 each model.